This was the total number of Tokyo Revengers copies sold around the world up to May 2021, just above 5 million. And this was the total number of copies sold around the world up to September 2021, just above 22 million. With this, Tokyo Revengers broke the 8-year manga sales record of Attack on Titan. How was this manga managed to sell an astounding 17 million copies in just 4 months? Ever since Tokyo Revengers was adapted by Leiden Films as an anime, the manga by Ken Wakui has skyrocketed the sales figures into unimaginable numbers, and that is the first reason for the high sales of this manga. Tokyo Revengers has taken the year 2021 by storm, and the popularity of this manga has turned so many heads towards it that they are calling it overrated. And honestly, I don't blame them. Nowadays, in the golden age of content, there is nothing like rated. There are only two terms, underrated and overrated. If a show is overrated, then it becomes overhated in no time. The anime adaptation is the major reason for the exploding of sales of this manga. 2021 is the golden age of content. We are witnessing thousands of shows, books, mangas, movies getting released day by day. Attack on Titan was released in 2013 and that year wasn't the golden age of content. Hence, it was less popular. Tokyo Revengers anime was released in late March 2021 and since then it hasn't looked back. Each episode of this anime that is available on Muse Asia YouTube channel has garnered a minimum of 2 million views. This just shows how popular the show is. Once people came to know about an anime of this kind and when they enjoyed it, they just started purchasing the manga volume by volume, stockpiling it in their homes. Everyone who bought it became a fan of this manga. At first, I was also like, what is this new anime here? Why is it getting recommended? So I thought, why not to try the first episode? And boy, I didn't look back from then. I quickly binge read the manga in 3 days. Of course, there must be mad people out there who would have finished it in just a day. A story involving time travel with gangs? Count me in. Attack on Titan had one of the best storylines that a fiction material could have, but there wasn't much hype when the manga was published, and now the manga has already finished, so the sales for that have slowed down. If Attack on Titan would have still kept going till now, then surely it would have been more popular than any other story that we have today. In Tokyo Revengers, the storyline is one of the best I have read this year. It kept people on edge of their seats as it was too unpredictable to decide what was going to happen next. That's the reason for people who binge read the entire manga in a matter of hours. This manga will make you read more and more without getting tired, and the more you read, the more curiosity will be ignited inside you. It is just uncontrollable. Even if you finish up to the latest chapter of the manga, you will still not be satisfied as your heart and mind and soul will want more. This was a major reason for me to read this manga. A story about middle school kids joining gangs, doing gang politics, throwing hands with each other without even thinking. What else does one need? Finally something different. I haven't actually read the manga of Great Teacher Onizuka or GTO, which also involves gangs, so I won't comment on it, but it must be really great. Nonetheless, Tokyo Revengers manga was really intriguing to me as it did not contain any powers for its characters, and this wasn't the manga where characters take half the chapter explaining their next move on their opponents. No time was wasted on the dialogues in the middle of a fight, and that erases the common issue that is with many shonen stories out there. In this manga, it is just throwing punches and hammering kicks at each other. So refreshing. This must be the reason for people to buy this manga. They wanted something different, and damn right they got it. This was another major reason for the sales, and to be honest, there are countless plot twists in this story that this reason deserves a separate section out from the storyline. The second best-selling manga, Demon Slayer or Kimetsu no Yaiba, doesn't have plot twists like this. It has a simple story, but it is exciting to read. Tokyo Revengers is completely the opposite. When I was reading this manga, I couldn't predict any scene fully correctly. There was always something that was left out, but that did not matter, as if I would have guessed everything, at the last moment the author would shift the storyline into some other dimension and I would be left helpless. When I thought that Takemichi has resolved something, then at that moment the story would bring in another plot twist into its collection to depress me or to drift me completely away from the course. This was the factor that stopped my eyes from blinking while reading the manga. Literally. Never have I seen characters with this much drip. Not only me, everyone would surely say this even if they did not like the manga. Although the possibility of that is just 10%. The character design is just crazy in this manga. The creator must have utilized every second in designing them with most of his caliber. The characters are not only good in appearance, but they are really well developed and care about their friends and other fellow gang members. This quality makes each of them more likable than the other. No wonder Tokyo Revengers keeps selling. It will be a different story to see how the manga will end, as right now it is on its last arc. Tokyo Revengers never fails to deliver the extraordinary events taking place in the story. Do you know who else does not fail to deliver every time? Isaki Tetta. Find out why. Unlike others, I like this bad guy from Tokyo Revengers. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on anime and manga. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you later.